good. So do you know who that was I was talking to?
No, in the Beamer?
Yeah.
No.
All right, I'm gonna adjust this just a little bit, right there.
Okay.
There we go.
I can hear myself.
What's that?
I can hear myself now.
Yeah, there, right? All right. Yeah, no, that's Bill Caswell. That man is nuts. You're gonna have to, I'll show you the article if you haven't read it on Jalopnik. All right, so the track's already hot. They're already out there. We just wait at the cone. She's telling you go, go. Remember, stay left of center. Stay all the way to the left because we got to maintain that blend line. So stay all the way left, all the way left, all the way up against it. Checking your 6. I don't see anything.
Oh.
All right, so again, we got to warm everything up. So back it down just a little bit, right? This isn't a race to start. So just, yeah, nice and calm through here. Get everything warm first. Because if you overcook it, you're not going to have traction. So yeah, just nice and smooth. Get in your rhythm. And look back across track. Do I see anything? No, I don't. Okay, so again, just find your stuff. Yeah. All right, so we got one car there. They might run up on us. It's a quick driver back there. So we'll just be mindful of that. Other than that, next car out is a GTR behind them and a white Beamer and then the maroon F-Series. So we got time. We know what to watch for. So stay outside, be smooth. Use the entire track. So stay outside. Where's your braking zone? Find it. Brake, shift, turn. Braking, shift. Now turn in, nice and smooth. There we go. Smooth turn in, use the entire track. Throttle here. We're gonna center, get your braking done, and then turn in. Yep. Use your throttle to wash this out if need be. Perfect. Now all the way back outside. Back outside, back outside. Get your braking done. Turn in. Boom. There it is. There it is. Hold inside. Hold, hold, hold. All right, ready? Attack and hold yellow. All the way in, all the way in, all the way in, all the way. Hold longer, straighten out. Right there. Now straight line braking. Very good. Turn in. Boom. Easy on the throttle through here. Be ginger. Now start going full throttle, full throttle, full throttle. Nice use of the track. Nice job. All the way to the outside. Stay outside, stay outside. Wait for grass. When you get to grass, turn in. Oh, easy. Way too much speed into there. Way too much speed. See, so it messed all this up. So when we come through there, we're gonna back it down next time so we can get the line. I can't teach you on the edge. This turn is okay through here. I still don't see anybody behind us, so we're doing fine. So what I would say is if that was 8/10, back it down to 7/10 so I can make adjustments, right? Yes. All right, good. Turn in nice and smooth. The second turn in, I saw that all the way in an attack. Let the car wash out. Good use of the track. Nice. Now, what do you redline at?
75.
Okay, so straight line braking and then turn in. There it is. Straight line here. Don't downshift until there. You downshifted a little too early there. Okay? All right. So wait for the point by, wait for the point by. Wait. He checked his mirror. Wait. Got it, go. You drive, I wave. Awesome, GoPro's still there too. Stay outside, good. Get your braking done. Woo, gaining some speed in there. Nice, now you're gonna end up overcooking your brakes. Do that too many more times. Get your braking done. Boom, turn in. Nice, that's a good line through there. That's solid, slightly different than mine, but it's good, it's good. All the way back outside, get your braking done. Boom, turn in. A little too much speed, it's gonna push to the outside. It's gonna put us in a slightly bad position. Easy on the throttle and attack with the steering wheel. Hold, you came out a little too early, get in there. Right brake here. Very good, now get in there. Now I want you to slow it down a little bit here so I can correct your line through here, right? So stay all the way outside. When you get out to the grass, so start coming across. When you get to the grass, turn in. So right now, turn in and hold it. Hold it. You washed out a little too soon and straight line right there. See, you want to be over there.
Okay, I want to be clear over there.
Yeah, clear over there. Remember when I bottomed out?
Yeah.
You want to be 3 inches to the left to bottom out. Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. All right. Yep. So again, let's not cook our stuff to where we have nothing. So this is a good speed through here. Yep, get your braking done, turn in, then turn in one more time. Very good, start working on the throttle, There you go, throttle out, unwind slowly. Now all the way back outside. Get the braking done a little bit, turn in. A little too much braking there, brake hard here. Now get in there. There you go. Caution flags out, get your braking done, downshift. Stay outside, Stay outside, nice and easy through here. Yep, you got him. Got eyes on him. Good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Shift. Now, just stay about this speed. No faster. Just let the car float for a second. We could run up on them and dynamite the brakes, but you're going to use up all your stuff, right? Okay. There's really no reason to be super, super fast here. So wait to brake, wait. Start braking. Get your downshift done. Boom, turn in. Now do exactly what you used to be doing. You're going to give your car a little bit of a breather there. Get your braking done, and then turn in. Because you're going to punish it through here and beat on it, right? So, I mean, anybody can be fast in the straightaway. Boom, get your braking done, turn in. Easy on the throttle, but use it. And then wait, attack now. Boom, all the way in, more. Keep turning, straight now. There it is, get your braking done. Boom, get in there. I would much rather have my brakes there than at the end of the straightaway. You see what I'm saying? What I'm saying, using them up. All right, so slow through here because we're gonna run up on traffic. So stay outside. When you get to grass, turn in at grass. Wait for grass, turn in, boom, hold it. Get in there tight, hold it, get in there tight, hold it. You washed out a little way too much. You're outside, but when I say get in there tight and hold it, you missed the inside of the turn by probably about 1.5 feet. Okay, good. We'll keep working on it. All right, let's see what's up. Get up there, wait for the point by, you got it, go. Got it, go. Stay in a straight line. Braking. Now you've taken some of your turn away, yep, so you have to get more braking in there. It's gonna push out, be a little wonky. That's okay. Let it wash out just like it's supposed to. Good. All the way back outside. Get a little bit of braking done, turn in. Now get a lot of braking done. Good, now get back in there and hustle it in. Straight line braking downshift. He said he saw us, so got it?
Got it, yep, seen it.
Awesome, that's what I'm talking about. Good heads up, good on him, good job. Love it. Go! You drive, I wave. There you go. Now this is good speed through here. Just let it settle a little bit, right? And what I'm saying is, using all your brakes down here isn't any fun. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So we'll get our braking done. Boom, get your braking done. Downshift, turn in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Carrying some speed, you're gonna wash out nicely. Good use of the track. Braking done. Boom, turn in. Carrying a little speed, we are going to wash out here a little more than normal. That's fine. Back outside. Get your braking done. Boom, in. Yes. Hold the inside. Attack. All the way in. More. Hold. Straight line now. Boom. That's it. Wow. Get your braking done. Yes. All right, we're cooking it here. We're on the sidewall. There you go. Yes. Stay outside. Now again, slow down just a little bit so we can get this corner nailed. I want to nail it, and then we'll ratchet the speed back up. So, grass, boom, turn in, all the way to the curbing, all the way in. Hold. Straight line now. Right there, that's it. Braking done. Boom, get in there. See how much more speed we had? Yes. Oh, easy on the gas, let the car come around for you, and then get right back on it. Go, baby, go. Yes. Do you see what I mean? Nice. Get your braking done. Boom. Turn in. That's where it's at. All the way in. Start using that throttle. Wash out. Good. Tap the brakes a little bit to get the car settled. Turn in. And then now we're going to get a hard braking done. Good. Get in there. Boom. Nice and hard. Straight line braking downshift. Oh, shit. I need that. We're in third gear all the way through there?
All the way.
Oh my God, third gear is amazing through here.
Never shift.
All right, so we're not going to catch him to get the pass. So go ahead and throttle back a little bit here. Let him get it. Oh, I didn't see the GTR behind us.
I'll let him go on the Thunder Alley.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we do is we just tap our mirror to let him know we saw him. Yep, good. My bad, I got really excited. That was awesome. Stay outside, boom, turn in. Father? We caught him. All right, so you're gonna have to put some space. Whoa. See, that's why I always say there's no reason to get that close up onto him. You're gonna give the point by here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so back it up, and then, yep. Yep, he remembered the rules. He remembered the rules.
One car at a time.
One car at a time. That's fine. He didn't take it. So we're just going to mosey on through here. Arrow on the side of caution.
Work on my...
Yeah, work on your line. Hold it. Hold the inside. Hold. Straight now.
Straight.
Right there. That's it. Okay, so maybe just... No, that's exactly where you want to be. That was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. That is the line.
Okay. Like I seen it.
Yes. All right, so now we'll get up there and see if we can't get you found. Yeah, Faisha. Well, we're a little too far back probably for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully he'll give it to us between 1 and 2. Stay to the outside. We'll get our braking done. Boom. Get in there. Okay, no worries.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. You get to work on your line through here, right?
Yes.
So boom, stay outside,
On
get your
brake.
braking done. Maybe you turned in a little too early there. Because see how you had to turn this, see how you had to saw the steering wheel? We don't want to do that.
I want to let this beamer go by too.
Okay. Well, take the pass on him first and then point the beamer by you. So get up there, get ready, go! And then get immediately in front of him. And then easy up on the throttle, and point the beamer by. That's exactly how that's supposed to work. Perfect. Chase the beamer. Perfect. That's it. Yes. Stay outside. Get your braking done. As soon as you're done shifting, we should be turning. So you shifted a little too early there.
Okay.
Yep. A little too early there. Awesome. Stay on the line. Get your braking done. Now turn in. There you go. Let it wash out. That's really good. See how it fell planted all the way back outside? Get your braking done. Boom. Turn in. Very good. Throttle management. When I say attack, get on yellow. Attack. All the way. Hold. Straight line down. Boom. Woo! Straight line braking. Turn in. Oh, you were still braking there.
Still braking.
You're still braking there. All right, so this is a good speed for this. I want you to try and nail it at this speed, okay? Right through here. It's a little up-tempo speed. Get all the way outside. Come on, get out there. Get your braking done. Turn in. Hold it. All the way in. Straight line down. Whoop, a little too soon. A little too soon. You saw it. You recognized it. Good. Off the gas. Get back on it. There it is. Nice. Yep. You're getting faster. You're going to have to shift. And I'm going to tell you when. You're getting too fast. Get your braking done. See, you turned in too soon there. Because see how you turn? Now watch. You have to turn twice.
I turned twice.
Yep.
I'll wait for it.
Yeah, that's all right. So you're going to have to start. You're going to have to listen to me when I tell you to shift. I'm going to start counting your gears. All right. Shift at 6. You're getting too fast. You got to shift at 6. So this is a good speed right here. Let it go so you don't got to shift again. Oh, well, you shifted again. Okay, so now you got to downshift twice here. So you're going to start shifting at about $1.75. Okay, $1.75. You start shifting. Oh, there's one shift.
Oh, I thought
now
you
start. No, that's still good. That was really good. You see how comfortable the car was?
That was a lot better.
Yes, it was, wasn't it? All right, get your braking done. Turn in. Boom. See how the car's just more happier that way? Use your throttle to wash out and then get all the way back out the outside. Get your braking done. Beautiful. Turn in. Awesome. Stay all the way inside. Washed out a little too much. So now attack. Because when you wash out like that, you sacrifice speed right there. See how we're slower through here this time? Boom. Get your braking done. Bam. Turn in. See if we get the point by. Nope. Oh. Not now. A little too late. If you would have been on this game, we would have done it. So stay all the way outside. Boom, turn in, hold it, turn in and hold longer, straight now. There it is. Get your braking done.
Perfect.
Yep.
Like that.
I do too, man. Stay outside with a little bit of throttle. Now get off of it completely. Now get back on it. See, that's a good line through there. Great line through there. Get up there and attack. Checkered flag, no passing. Man, I wanted one more lap. So, yeah, you would be what? You're in 4th right here?
That's 4th.
Yeah, so 4th, and then you're so fast through here now, you got to be in 4th, man. You're going to end up blowing a motor. So 4th gear all the way through here. Let it wash out. Always drive your line. What did I tell you? You should have been all the way over there. You're following him.
I did follow.
Don't do that. So all the way outside. You're still in 4th gear here. That's the gear I want you in. Yep. So 4th through here. Now stay outside. A little bit of braking. Yep. Turn in. So you turned in a little too soon there. That's all right. Straight line braking here. Downshift, perfect. Turn in, use the throttle to take you out, then let off the throttle to bring you back in. And then start picking it up, wash all the way out, and then we'll shift. And I want you to shift again to fifth. Very good, stay in fifth, just nice and comfortable like, because we'll log jam up a little bit on the back side of the straightaway. Stay outside, drive your line, man. Outside, drive your line. All right, downshift now. Downshift again. Oh, you went, we're in third?
Third.
Oh, I thought we were in fifth.
We were.
Oh, okay. Stay right here on your line, braking, boom, turn in, use the throttle to wash you out. Yep, all the way out, and all the way back outside, all the way back outside. Very good. All the way in, and this is where you can experiment on your line and find out exactly where the edge is, right? So now, all the way to the yellow, all the way in. Hold it, hold it, hold it, straight now. There you go, right side off, good. That's the line through there. All the way outside, straight line braking, and then boom. All the way outside, very good. So we're gonna work on this line. What I want is your left tires to hit the curbing, okay? And when you hit it, I want you to hold it until I say release. Stay outside, wait for grass, boom. Turn in, all the way in and hit it. Hit it and hold, hold, hold. Straight line now. There's the line through there. See it?
I've seen it.
Awesome.
It's doing it at speeds.
Right? Completely different. Good shit, man. You're quick. You're quick. And I'm fine-tuning your line. I'm just fine-tuning it.
So you're saying don't use the entire revs?
No, bud. There's just no reason to work it that hard. You know what I mean? Don't. So shift it like, it red lines at 7.
Well, they set it to 75.
They set it to 75. When you tuned it, what was the power torque? There was no way you were making power all the way to 75.
No, she stops at 6.
Exactly. Shift that bitch at 6. Because all you're doing is wasting your time. So as we're coming all the way down there and we exit at 6 grand, and we go all the way to 7 grand into turn 2, dude, you're losing out on so much power. You have to be in 4th gear there.
Okay.
You have to be.
That makes sense.
Yes, I mean, you have to be. And that's what's hurting you. So what you need to work on out there is you need to think everything through, and when you hit 6 grand, shift, and then adjust what you're doing for that.
Okay, that makes sense.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alrighty, man. In the end, good job out there. Great job out there, and we know what you got to work on.